Hello everyone! In this short video, we're going to show you how to integrate Crowdin and Contentful. Integrating Crowdin and Contentful allows you to easily translate your content using Crowdin. Just upload your content for translation and then synchronize the translations back to Contentful in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and Contentful, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. First, we'll install the app from the Crowdin Store. Search Contentful and click Install. To start the integration process, we'll go to the Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. From the list of available apps, let's find Contentful. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with Contentful. Choose an API-based URL and click Login. Now you need to authorize Crowdin to use your account. And now we're on the integration screen. Now on the right side are my content types in Contentful, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. Before synchronizing our content to Crowdin, we need to configure the integration first. So let's go to Settings. Here, choose the source language for each connected Contentful environment. This ensures content is correctly mapped and processed in Crowdin. Click Save. To upload content to Crowdin for translation, I select it on the Contentful side and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I can start translating my content. I can choose traditional human translators or use AI translation followed by human proofreading for guaranteed quality. I can also set up an automated Crowdin workflow that orders translations whenever new content is synced to my project. I can monitor the translation progress in the status bar. Let's take a look at how my content appears to translators. Managers typically don't visit this page often, but I wanted to show you how Crowdin provides as much contextual information as possible. Here's my content in the Crowdin Editor. Once the translations are complete, select the translated content and click Sync to Contentful to synchronize it back. Now let's return to Contentful to check out our translated content. Let's add the needed locale here. This is my content translated to French. It looks great! And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and Contentful. But there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast array of features, you can easily translate your content into many different languages. To start a free trial, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.